Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys what I hang my belts on. So I got this particular one for a few reasons. One is because all of my hangers are bamboo hangers and I wanted to keep a cohesive look. So I found this one, and when I got it, I realized that it is really sturdy. So I really like that about this belt hanger. And I also like that it is a space saver. I have a really small closet, and all I have to do is hang my belts on here and then just stick it into my closet. My husband also likes to hang some of his ties on here, so even if you don't have a lot of belts, which we don't, we only have 4 out of the 2 of us, you can hang other things on here too, like ties or purses or hats can be hung on here too. So I like the versatility of that, and I think it is very well made, and that's my point of view.